What have we got here?
1991 Toyota Cressida Grande.
A legit barn find. How long's it been sitting here for?
12 years.
12 years. And one owner. (7M) Auto Cressida Grande. Interior for its age, immaculate. They took a lot of care when storing this one. I believe that dash should be in very good nick. Same as the rear parcel shelf. Clean as. Alright, pop the bonnet. Pop the boot. Oh shit. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Needs a wash, absolutely. What do we got here? We've got some. I've got some ice droppings, so we'll probably have to gut the interior and spare. A few ants. That seatbelt needs to be plugged in. It'll be just up here.
Yeah.
Bolt hole up there.
Yeah,
that's
there.
the control unit for the automatic transmission. Way back in the boot.
Is that where it is?
No, it looks like it. I could be very wrong, but that looks like it.
2013 was last registered.
Last registered 2013.
So, yeah, 12 years.
Yeah, so there's been some mice in here by the look of it. But that's alright. Look, you've already got some money back. There's some money on the floor there.
Power windows.
Power everything. Grande. A little dusty, but such good nick. Wow, uncracked dash. Insane. It's very, very dusty. Oh, nest on top of the motor. Yep, smells like rats in here.
That's worries.
But that's alright. We'll see what they've chewed electrical wise. Cruise control.
Nice.
Yeah, because you see that throttle goes back in with the other throttle, so cruise control. Alright, so from what we understand, this was parked up because it had gearbox issues. So luckily enough, we have a gearbox that we pulled from the other Cressida that we got the 7M for the Supra. So that's a Cressida
A340E?
L, I don't know, or E340, A340, whatever the gearbox is. I can't remember the code right now. Probably look on the compliance plate and get it, but it was from the same model Cressida, the blue one that we got.
Yeah, silver.
Silver?
Silver.
Bluey silver, whatever.
Silver, blue interior.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, we load this up. Alright. Rightio. That should be right there.
Ready?
Yep.
Go that way.
Yep.
Let's start to grab that hook. You want me to go up a little bit more to
Huh? What do you mean starting to grab the hook?
like grab?
Yeah, that's okay. It should be alright. That all right? Straighten out?
No, you can go straight from there. Yeah.
Yep, righto.
Is that on the back or is that still on the ramp?
No, we're on the tray. Oh, well, on the trailer. Yeah, we're off the ramps. Oh, yeah, I wouldn't worry about tilting forward. It does it by gravity, so. Hang on. Oh, I need to go a bit. Hang on, I need to go a bit more towards this side. Go. Just gentle as I turn.
I can't really.
It won't roll while the winch is connected.
That's not fantastic.
Alright, so what you can do, hang on. Handbrake's on, it's in park, so you can reposition that winch onto the other side. Oh. That's just another hook off a strap that was no good. Just pull the hook off it.
Yeah, it works. Use it as like an anchor point.
Yeah, just the
Direction changer.
downward pressure.
Yep. Yeah, where's that?
Pull it. Whoa.
Hopefully we've got enough battery. Alright, just hold it there. Hold it there, we'll put park brake and everything on. We'll disconnect the winch and we'll push it off. Righto, put your stuff up.
Cruise control. Here's a new belt. Amazing interior. Needs a new wheel, that's okay. Needs a good clean though. Oh, it's just the
First modification.
First mod, or would you call it a mod? Because it doesn't really.
D-mod.
D-mod. D-mod.
You remember the other one? We didn't have this front bumper.
Yeah,
We
no,
had
it's
just
different.
a flat one.
Oh, this is going to come up nice. Alright, I suppose we'll leave this video here, eh? It's home on our new slab, and we are waiting for, obviously, the shed, because we're working in an invisible shed right now. But yeah, so this will be Ash's first daily.
It isn't yours.
Yeah, so recap, it was parked up because the gearbox failed. We don't know to what extent that failure was. Apparently it was still running. So yeah, so we've got a gearbox, we'll swap it out and see if we can get it running.